Okay, so in today's video, this is just a little tiny video, but I was live streaming and I found some insane loot on Midas's new yacht, and I thought I would just share it with you. So keep watching. Okay, now I've killed all the people. Well, the people that I know that are here. Let's go have a look around. Wait, Midas is Yo, this is sick! So Midas' statue's here, which is kind of cool. There's quite a few chests. I hear a mythic. Is there a mythic chest? There is. Okay. I don't expect that's always there, but no, it's always there. But there's actually a lot of chests, which is really good. It's a bit hard to like make your way through the ship. This vault. Okay, the vault's been opened. Okay, this is actually OP. And then you obviously have your shield bubble, which is this. They're actually okay. This new update is actually overpowered. Let's say that. And then wait, but where's Midas? It's up there. So Midas is up here. There's so many chests around this shit. It's actually okay, so apparently there is something to get Midas's judge. So this is Midas service station. Okay, we need some gold. Where could gold be? There has to be some gold nearby. Hey Midas. Okay, so you can buy the drum gun right here. And I think that's what the diamond now. Let me find some guy. Where's gold? Because I haven't fully searched this whole place yet. So there may be a butt ton of gold somewhere that I just don't know about. Just another mythic chest. Okay, this is actually